we have spare parts and main body, this main body, and the top cover, and the dasher bars, paper feed roll, and also dasher bars. Now, first step, we assemble the screws here. Yes, and we just show you how to install the stands. Put here. Yes. Yeah. Then we use water level method to make sure it's water level. If not good, we adjust the screws under the stand. The same way. Yes, we adjust the stands. Yes. Great. So now, also we will check in the middle. Make sure everything is okay. Yes. So we lock it, and we lock all the screws. So now it's water level. That's beginning to install the head. Yes. A little heavier. Let's install it on it. Behind. Need to make some adjustment. Yeah, there are two screws. So we put inside the orbit. It's okay. Now it's okay. So we lock the screws. Both side screws. Finally, this is our overseas model. We have four sides. First, color different, then the logo different, because we use HP logo and ATP for our international trade department, and our company logo, and also because for the overseas model also we use CE and all the company details here, even zipper by our international trade department, and the service number of them here. Now the head is okay. Yes. Now we put the cover on it. There is screws, we lock it. Then it is okay. Now it's okay. So the machine assembly already finished. Right now we will install the paper. Because most of our, before this year, most of our sold machines are domestic version, look outside. So most of our videos made by domestic version, but from now on, we will make more videos for the overseas model too, because we trust this our overseas market, and our partners in overseas will be very happy with our products. Now this is the forehead machine, and there is the ATPJET 4Y85 S plus Y85 centimeter floating wipe, and 4 heads, 4 HP 45 heads. And now we see what we have in the spare parts box. USB cable and power cable and 4 cartridges and Y CD and Y warranty card too, and 2 paper holders. Now we connect the power cable. And we connect the USB also. USB also here. Yes, and we advise you lock the USB cable here so it can save the damage by accident. Yes. We already leave the lockers here, so you just put inside it and can protect damage of the machine, especially for the expensive board. Every machine we have this lock, so you can find it in your machines. Both domestic versions and overseas versions, and even our e-service. Now, it's okay. So let's install the paper. Let's install the 4 cartridges. This is the original 4-5 cartridges. If you use refilled ink, please first use the soft paper on face nail paper to clean the head first, and seeking and clean the head first, then install it. But for original one, you can install directly. We advise you to use original HP 4-5 cartridges. Okay. Okay. Now we begin install the paper. First, we will print on floor. Yeah, we install the paper. In the same way, we put paper back and take through the bars. Look like this. Through the bars. Oh yeah, and put down the paper pressure wheels. Yeah. First, we will take out paper bars for testing. Then we will use plotting free on floor. Now we put the dasher bar. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So put the paper dasher bar first behind it. There is the paper bar, a dasher bar holder.先弄手指吧，先弄手指，因为既然弄了已经。